Hello and welcome back, tech enthusiasts. This is Nazia, your guide through the ever-evolving world of technology on the Holoware Tech Podcast. Today, we are exploring a revolution that's happening right in the palm of our hands. Imagine having the power of a high-performance computer in a device smaller than a lunchbox. It's Holoware's custom miniature computers combining impressive performance with compact design for both business and home use. Before we dive into the details, let's take a moment to highlight the innovators behind these mini marvels. Holoware, founded in 2020 in Chennai, is emerging as India's leading OEM, original equipment manufacturer. Our commitment to being 100% made in India while designing products for a global audience sets us apart. With a strong in-house R&D division, competitive pricing, and uncompromised quality, we offer a wide range of tech solutions and provide pan-India service support across 21,000 PIN codes. From AI-powered laptops to rugged machines, Holoware's product range is extensive. Today, we are focusing on Holoware's latest innovation, the custom mini PCs, designed to deliver high performance in a compact size. Holoware's custom mini PCs are versatile and powerful, offering incredible performance in a compact form. They are ideal for both business environments and home entertainment setups. With standout features like portability and energy efficiency, these devices consume less power than traditional desktops and are easy to transport and set up. Here's where it gets interesting. Unlike standard one-size-fits-all computers, Holoware provides a high degree of customization. Whether you need a 12th Gen Intel Core i7 with NVIDIA graphics or a configuration with 64 GB of RAM and a 2 TB SSD, we tailor solutions to meet your specific needs. Now let's look at some of the impressive specs. Processors ranging from Intel Core i3 to i7 or AMD Ryzen 3 to 7. Graphics options to enhance your games and videos, and memory up to 64 GB. Storage options that can hold your entire digital life twice over, and all within a package about the size of a hardcover book. Interesting, isn't it? In terms of connectivity, these mini PCs offer comprehensive options with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and a variety of ports to ensure seamless integration into any setup. Regarding cost, Holoware is committed to delivering high performance at competitive prices. Whether you are working with a modest budget or ready to invest in top-tier specifications, there is a mini PC tailored to meet your needs. As we wrap up today's episode, imagine the possibilities. A full-fledged PC that fits in your backpack, it fits inside a handbag, and ready to transform any space into your personal office or entertainment center. That's not just convenience, that's freedom. For more information on Holoware's products, visit holoware.co or email us at marketing@holoware.co. This has been Nazia, your tech tour guide, reminding you that sometimes the biggest innovations come in the smallest packages. Stay curious, stay productive, and until next time, think big, buy small, and take care.